Installing center row seats after replacing bushing bolt mounts.
Okay, working on the installation of my left and right center seats on the Expedition. I had to take them out, and if you saw my bushing mounts videos, you'll know why I had to cut through here and get to the nut on a bushing bolt, but that's another video. Anyway, you're probably wondering, what the heck is he doing? Okay, I'm having a lot of trouble getting these seats reinstalled. This thing here, this mount's got to go all the way back, and it's spring loaded, and it's really tough for me because I got my age. I got weak arms. Yeah, I got a weak head too, but I got weak arms, just not strong like I used to be. So I'm jacking the seat up to hold it up, and I'm gonna try to pull this down and get a bolt in it. So anyway, that's what I'm working on, and we'll see what happens. Okay, what I'm trying to do, I got the seat jacked up. I got these, the rear. Okay, what I'm trying to do here, I've got the rear attachments unhooked, and I've got the seat jacked up some, and what I'm trying to do is this base, I'm trying to pull it down and get it down here where I can get some the bolts started, and I'm having a hard time, and it seems like it only come down so far, and it's like it's locked, and I've been trying to figure out how to unlock it, and I haven't been able to do that yet. So I'm working on that, and I know this is not your standard this is not a how-to video. This is just trial and error right now. Out. Well, I don't know how, but I just lifted the back end up, and that fell right into place, and the bolt holes are lined up. So let me get a bolt in it before something happens. Wow, what luck. And can you believe that? It fell right into place. I didn't have nothing to do with it. Pure luck. Thank you. Whew. Okay, I got the bolts in. Those are 13 millimeter socket for those, and they're in, down, and tight. Now I got to see if I can get this seat back into position and get these locked in. Okay, I got the seat in, and I've got the rear attachments in and locked into place. Now the problem I'm having is trying to get I can't remember how to get this back up. It seems like just opening this all the way, but it won't do it. I don't know why. See, anyway, I got to go look in my manual and see what the problem is. Out. Okay, guys, there it is. Now, I didn't do that. Nancy came out, and she said she could probably do it. And I said, oh, okay. And I've been messing with her for 30 minutes. She came in here, and she said what she had to do, the seat had to go forward a little bit, and then when you pulled that back tab, then it went all the way back. It went all the way back. So anyway, guys, that shows you that our wives and girlfriends have more smarts than we, and you just got to accept it. Out for now. Okay, guys, this is my Jeep update on the seats in the 08 Expedition. I got them in. They work fine. And actually, the second one, I didn't have to jack it up like I did. I just had to, when I put it in, I just had to tip it way over to the front until the base was level. Drop it down, and that was it. So I didn't need to do that. That helped me then, but I really didn't need to do that because I didn't know what I was doing. But anyway, they're in. They look good. I got it all clean back here, and it smells good. We're washing our mats. We're going to detail it ourselves. It's pretty clean, but we're going to detail it. and it sometime in the near future it's going to the paint shop to take the touch up the scratches. I got a little ding here somewhere. Yeah, you can see it. I think if you get, I can see it. I don't know if y'all can. And I got a little ding up here somewhere too. Not much in the paint, just a little bit. But anyway, it'll be just like a brand new one. And I'm gonna start trying. I will make a video on this, but I just hope it comes out all right. I got my leather dash and interior for up front. I'll be putting that in, make it look nice for my wife. That's her vehicle.